So we're going to go ahead and change the tire. There's a couple things that you need to do a tire at home yourself. You're going to need some bead breaker bars. There's pinch kits, there's all different kinds of ways you can do it. Some tire protectors to actually protect your wheel from using these bars while you're trying to pry everything around. You can see that I couldn't get the disc off of mine. It's pretty permanent. I'm not entirely sure I'm ever going to be able to get it off. I broke a lot of tools trying to get that off. They are set in there pretty good. You're going to need some type of balancing. You can take it and get it balanced after if you want. You can leave it unbalanced. Some people do that if they're not going to be riding real fast. If it's sports wheels, you should probably balance it. I'm going to use bead balancing. I did that in the front wheel. I was a little skeptical at first, but it's worked out pretty good for me. New valve stem, because replace it while you're in there. And some type of fluid to help you get the bead over the wheel. I'm using Windex. That works pretty good. They actually make fluid specifically for that, but Windex will do you. You just got to make sure if you're using any type of fluid that you don't get it up inside the wheel while you're doing the change. The reason for that is if you're using bead balancing, the beads will clump and you ruin the whole purpose of having balancing beads. So that being said, you use your air tool. This bead kit came with one. You can get one. It's a T-shaped tool. You're basically going to stick it in the valve and take all the air out. I already let most of the air out of this yesterday so I could do the blasting. Yep, there you go. These tires are actually sticking out over, which makes this extra hard. So use your body weight to get in there. Got the bead broke off, go ahead and press it around the whole thing. You should get it completely off. Flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. see if I can't bring it up over this side, because with this disc still on, I've already put a lot of pressure on this. Try not to mess it up. So the nice thing about these bead breakers is they double as pry bars for your tire. And put them lip down, try and get up under there, pull them around, and this scoop will actually kind of grab it, yank it around. Do the opposite when you're putting it back on. Make bead glue this one. Just makes it extra difficult. Make it off. Let's get over. Sometimes you got to pry it all the way around. The tire's got enough play in it. Sometimes you can just yank it right off. Just go Hulk mode on this thing. There we go. And it's one. Up so much. Getting the first hook on this underbead. It's exciting. Takes a lot of using your knees, that's for sure.
we go. Tire off.